Hi, welcome back to Felty Navy. Today I'm going to show you how I create this beautiful felt name banner from start to finish using my Cricut Maker 3. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process, from designing the name, cutting felt with Cricut Maker 3, to assembling the banner by hand. Here are the materials I use. High-quality, eco-friendly felt in pastel colors, Cricut Maker 3 with a reblade. First, I open Cricut Design Space and type the name for the banner. I choose a rounded, child-friendly font that looks soft and playful. The spacing needs to be perfect. That's much better. Now we are ready. Make beautiful handmade felt items. And look at this beautiful name banner, perfect for a nursery.